Hello and welcome to another update video about GALA. We continue to be in this correction. We have no sign that we've bottomed in this yellow support region here. In yesterday's video only, we talked about here a possible descending wedge which might be developing here. It's typically a pattern of exhaustion. So you would call that downtrend possibly to get exhausted here at some point. You can just see that by looking at the momentum of the price. It reduces, downside pressure reduces. You can see that by looking at the indicators as well. For example, here, let's go to the 4 hour. We're on the 4 hour already. You can see how negative momentum has been reducing. However, on the 4 hour chart, it has avoided to create a bullish crossover on the MACD. That's not necessarily a bullish sign, even though it is reducing. But you can see here it's tried to push above the zero line, so basically get across here of the MACD and the signal line to the upside, and it failed. Now that's not great. I mean, ideally it still happens, it's not over, but it avoided to do it. So getting that cross would have been a bullish signal at least, but so far it has avoided to do that. It has also avoided to create, let me just make that larger, as it seems to create a bullish crossover on the RSI, or actually it created a bearish one. Yeah, it's in the bearish range on the RSI still on the 4 hour, indicating we're still in a consolidation or correction. Here, because the purple line went below that moving average, that is a so-called bearish crossover on the RSI. So again, there is no sign it has bottomed, but there is a reduction in negative momentum as the MACD shows. It's just lacking the last sort of push to the upside that would get us out of this descending wedge. So what do we have? We have here a possible bullish divergence. I think we talked about that only yesterday on the RSI, between that swing low and that swing low, but we have a higher low on the indicator, on the relative strength index. That's at least a sign that, you know, downside momentum is slowing down, as I just suggested, and we have here this descending wedge pattern. A break above it could indicate a breakout, and basically that a bottom is in place. That would be in line with the overall Elliott wave count and the support zone, because we're now also in Fibonacci support. So, you know, there is not much more you can do from a technical analysis point of view on this time frame. We have a possible ABC structure, which is considered a flat pattern. So that could be over in this wave 2 here nearly. We're in Fibonacci support. We have a bullish divergence. We have a descending wedge, which is bullish breakout pattern. All that needs to happen now is just for price to follow through. Which is not guaranteed, right? The indicators are only what they, what they are. They're indicators, they indicate, but they don't confirm. It's always price that needs to confirm, but it's certainly the time to be watching here. Relevant support for the bullish scenario in which we could rally in a third wave is at 3.6 cents and 3.35. A break below 3.35, already suggested in previous videos, would make direct follow through to the upside less likely. However, there is still another bullish scenario left that could be activated, and then support will be at 2.57 cents. It's just that a break below 2.57 cents would make a bullish outlook questionable. Yeah, and I would then start to look for new bear market lows. I already would get more concerned about new bear market lows if we break below the yellow support region. So that would be a break below 3.35 cents. But for now, we're holding support. We see the bullish divergence. It's time to be watching, and the first indication that a bottom has been made would be a break above the wave 4 high here. That is at 4.21 cent. Bear in mind that the very first target for a breakout of a wedge is the beginning of the wedge, so it would be that wave 4 top here at basically 4.2 cents if we really get a breakout here to the upside. Okay, that's my update about GALA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.